Hey, what's up guys? We've been getting a lot of questions about whether our trolley system works with the Milwaukee Packout. So I'm just going to do a quick video to show you guys what we're up to and how the Milwaukee Packout can function and work with the truck trolley system. Okay, when we're building our bases, we want to make sure we measure this correctly, but we want to measure from this point to this point, and it should be 16.5. Yep, so we're going to want to cut our bases to be 16.5 wide. We're going to be using 2x2s for the structure of the base. Okay, once we have these cut out to 16.5, you can see that we have these fit into the cutouts on the trolley. And then you have a couple different options for the Packout. Probably the best is to use these end holes. You see how they line up with the 2x2, and they do the same down here on the other end. So then we just fasten to this 2x2, and then we have a base that locks into the trolley, and then you can put your Packout on top. There you go. Milwaukee Packout base into the truck trolley. Now you can use all your Packout accessories to use on the truck trolley. Now, the next thing that we talk about is this cavity for the truck trolley. You can see that this Packout crate fits right into that cavity. Now your main toolboxes and stuff will work on this. Those won't fit in the cavity here, but your crates will fit perfectly in the recessed piece of the trolley. So that's your DIY version of having the Milwaukee Packout base function and fit with the truck trolley. Now you can use these same connection points and you can rotate it 90 degrees so that you can access it either from the side or from the front. It'll just hang out over the first half of the trolley. The next thing that I wanted to make you guys aware of, this is a prototype, but this is the next accessory that we're releasing for the truck trolley. This is a divider, and in this divider there will be connection points. These aren't the ones that we're going to use, but there will be formal connection points that line up with the holes on the Packout, so that these can be purchased with the holes already in place with connection points for the Packouts, so that you won't have to DIY 2x2s. You'll be able to use these dividers, and these dividers will fit right into the cavity, stopping things like the Packout crates from sliding, and then also with the custom connection points allow it to fasten directly to the Packout bases. So that's up and coming here in the next couple months, getting ready to release this fall.